Alright, first graders, we're going to leave where we left off. Are you ready? Spin. S-P-I-N, spin. There. T-H-E-R-E, there. Again. A-G-A-I-N, again. Alright, let's read our sight words. Here we go. This word is again. Let's skywrite it. A-G-A-I-N, again. Alright, I want you guys to pause the video and use this word in a sentence. Alright, let's do our next sight word. Help. Ready? H-E-L-P, help. Okay, use this word in a sentence. I will help my mom. Alright, let's do this word. This one is new. New. Alright, here we go. N-E-W, new. Okay, pause the video and use this word in a sentence. I want some new shoes. There. There. Alright, let's skywrite. Ready? T-H-E-R-E. There. I went over there. Alright, this last word, here we go. Let's do this one. This one is use. Here we go. U-S-E, use. Use this in a sentence. Ooh. This one's a sentence. Can you use this word in a sentence? There's the word use right there. Alright. We're going to circle the words that are blue. Again, that are blue. Help that are green. And red for new. For new. Okay? You're going to circle there blue. And the use green. Good job, first graders.